Well, what's up everybody? Mr. Jeff the Custodian here. Fixing to go to another campus this morning, and I'm going to talk to you about the reason I try to stay on top of things. My saying is, you control the job, don't let it control you. And I'm going to show you a little setup that I keep handy to be able to grab and go, and something I keep on my cart as well that just kind of makes things a lot easier. Staying on top of the job and controlling the job and not letting it control you. If you would just maintain your job daily and do your daily things, when situations arise, you just go do them. I got a call this morning. I got to go to one of our campuses. It's about 15, 20 minutes away. It just depends on the traffic. And it's our Workforce Development Center. And I like to carry my own stuff. I don't carry everything. I don't carry my mop bucket and everything, but I like to have a caddy to carry with me with the stuff I like to clean with. And one thing what that does is that keeps me from having to hunt everything down when I get there. I've got everything right there. I can walk in the bathroom. Now I will use the bowl mop or whatever they have on, or brush or whatever they have there to clean bathrooms with. And I also carry my own mop pads. I cannot stand walking in, somebody else's area, and there you go with a stinky mop or a mop that's just disgusting or whatever. So that's one thing I do with that. Well, let's go see what this 30,000 square feet holds for us and go through this car wash on the side of the road. I think sprinkler system's having an issue. So let's take a look at my caddy here. What I put in mine, I got my toilet bowl cleaner. I disinfected. I got some stuff to mop the floor with. Got my barkeeper's friends. Got an extra bathroom cleaner. Got some multi-purpose cleaner, window cleaner, microfiber rags, and a roll of paper towels, and my gloves. So I've got everything I need right here, pretty much, to just do your general cleaning with, pick up and go, and my mop heads. So let's go get at it. Try to remember to put a link in the description below where you can get one kind of like this one right here. What I like about this is you can just take and set this thing on your cart on the top. You got everything right there, and if you did just grab and go, you just grab and go. Well, I found the cart, so bingo, there you are. Well, geez, would you look at that? This is the reason I bring my own mops. Oh my goodness. What is this? A little caddy is something I like to use, and it just makes my job a little bit easier. Y'all have a great day. Go out there and make sure you stay on top of the job, because in about 5 minutes, you may receive a phone call that, hey, we need you to go over here and do this.